Hi, my name is Sarah and today I'm going to tell you absolutely everything that you need to know about Septifix before you buy this product. I also have 3 very important warnings for you in this video, so you better watch until the end, okay? The first thing you need to know about Septifix is that you should be careful with your purchase as this original product is only for sale on the official website. I'm warning you because many websites are selling the fake and ineffective product out there. So, to help you, I left the link to the official website here in the description and in the pinned comment of this video to you by the original product. With this you can buy with confidence that you will receive the true and effective content, in addition to all the guarantees and support. Now you might be asking yourself, but what is Septifix and does it really work? Septifix tabs are septic tank treatment tablets that are solid, environmentally safe, and oxygen releasing. This will saving you a small fortune every year. After you flush them down your toilet, they will easily solve all your septic tank's problems. Plus, you'll help protect the environment, because all the water that goes out from your septic system into the environment will be 100% clean and free of chemicals and pollutants. So yes, Septifix worth it and it worked perfectly. So by using Septifix you will save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each year, because your plumbing will run smoothly and you won't have to worry about calling the pumpers or a plumber for a fix. And take a note that Septifix is the only releasing oxygen septic tank treatment available on the American market. The technology used inside Septifix tabs enables tablets to embed within the sludge layer and treat the entire volume of water from the bottom up, soon after they have dissolved. And so, all your septic tank gets cleaned. All you need to remember is that Septifix tabs can be found only on the official page and is not available for purchase anywhere else. So, take advantage of the only chance to grab this exclusive formula with discount at the link on description of that video. The second warning is that the best results come when you use Septifix consistently for at least 12-month package. That's why I recommend that you take advantage of the discount on kits for a more effective result. And pay attention, Septifix cost only $118 for 12 months supply. So if you, like me, want to eliminate odors and clean your septic tank, enjoy the link below in the video description with free shipping to the US and all the safety guarantees from the official Septifix tabs website. They are so reliable that they also offer a 60-day guarantee to test and confirm the effectiveness of the product. Start using Septifix when you receive it at your home in a few days and all odors will be eliminated in 3 to 5 days after you flush the first tablet down your toilet. This is the first sign it's working. Next, you'll see that you won't have to call the expensive pumpers anymore. Plus you'll have peace of mind knowing that your septic tank will run smoothly and you'll have no backups or clogs in your system, because the bacteria will eat all organic waste. Septifix already have over 21,400 happy customers, and over 87% of them are repeat buyers, which is a great sign of the product's success. So my final warning is that if during the 60 days you are not completely satisfied with this purchase, you can get back every dollar paid for the product. Which shows how much the company really cares about customers and their results. I hope I helped you with this video with my honest opinion. Have a great day.